Hi, this is Sid from ReachOutSid.com. Today I am going to tell you about how to use Facebook Power Editor for better ROI. Normally we do Facebook ads on using Ads Manager, but we have the option to select the Power Editor which has an advanced options and compared to the Ads Manager. Right now I will share some of the advantages associated with the Power Editor. That is the text length restrictions. Where we have in normal Ads Manager we have some length restrictions, whereas in Power Editor we can add a little bit extra text to our description, headline and message. And device targeting is also very easy with Power Editor. Here we can select the mobiles and other newsfeed options, right column option and other options. Here we have the option to select the mobiles which are connected to only Wi-Fi, and we can even specify the devices also. And another option advantage is dark posts. Normally in Ads Manager we have to select one of the posts which are already published in Facebook pages, and in Power Editor we don't need any published post to promote our ad. And here we can even create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is if you have an email list which is huge, then we can create custom audience to promote our Facebook ad. If we have that custom audience, then Facebook will create same audience like our email list by taking the behavior of our custom audiences. And here in Power Editor we have the option to optimize our ads as well as pricing and bidding. So these are the main important advantages available in Power Editor. First, we have to keep in mind that Power Editor only works in Chrome browser. If you are using in Mozilla or Internet Explorer, then it won't work. So we have to use this Facebook Power Editor in Chrome browser only. Right now I am at my Ads Manager, Facebook Ads Manager. Here if you want to go to the Power Editor, here we have to click the Power Editor button. Right now I have opened the Power Editor in the next tab because it takes time. After entering into the Power Editor, it will come to this Power Editor interface. Right now these are all my ad campaigns, and already these active campaigns, already no active campaigns is there right now. If I want to create an ad in Power Editor, first what I have to do is download to Power Editor. We have to click this button. So just now I am going to click this button here. When we click this button, it asks us to select the Facebook account. Right now it is there with my name, so I am clicking download here, and it is asking to download the data to continue. So I am saying continue. Right now it will download all my accounts and previous data which is associated with the Ads Manager. Right now these are all campaigns I have done in Ads Manager as well as in Power Editor. Today, to show you, I am going to create a new campaign here. First we will have a create campaign option here. You have to click this one. So I am clicking create campaign. When we click create campaign, it will ask us to use the existing one or create new one. Right now I am going to create a new campaign for our demo purpose. So I am clicking demo. Here we have the option buying type auction or fixed price. So it is better to select the auction. So I have selected the auction. Here we have the objectives. Right now these are the objectives available in Facebook ads. So these are clicks to website, product catalog sales, website conversion, post page management, page likes. If you have mobile apps, we can use these things, and event responses, video views, and lead generations. Right now I am going to select page post engagement for the demo purpose. So I am selecting the page post engagement, and here I am going to choose an ad set. Just click that one. Here I am writing demo, and here we have to select create a new ad. I am selecting the ad name as demo. Now I will create the campaign here. Facebook is creating campaign for me. So this is the campaigns will add here, ad sets will add here, ads will add here. This is the new interface 2015. So it is showing these things. So first thing is, here we have selected demo campaign name. If you want to select another campaign, just you have to click here. It will show all the campaigns. Right now I am going to showing the demo. That's why I have selected this one and clicking here we have the pen symbol. Here we have to just click this one, and here we can do changings. So here we have to select the campaign spending limit if you want to limit the process. Now I am going to select the ad sets. Here in ad sets I am going to click this button. In ad sets button, the first option is daily budget. Facebook has some limited minimum budget for every objective. So for post engagement, a minimum required amount is 40 rupees. So I am entering 80 rupees here per day. Here we have another option, schedule start. Here we have to enter the date and time. So I am keeping at my present date and time here. And if you want to run this post continuously, you have to click this one. If you want to run it for a specified period of time, then you have to click this and run on. Here we have to select the date and time. For example, I am going to select for next day. Here time I will specify 11 p.m. And here is the main part here, audience. We have to click this edit audience. A new window will pop up here. Right now it is showing potential reach of this audience. So here we have to enter our geographical area. Right now I am in India, that's why it has selected India. Here we can add a country, province or zip address, like that United States. Australia, Canada, I have selected these 4 countries: India, United States, Australia, and Canada. You can even add or reduce countries, or you can target the specific cities also by entering the state or zip code of those cities. And age, here I am selecting 20 and up to 50 years. Most of my targeted audience are below 50, so I am selecting 50 here. I am going to target gender all. Here you can even select by more demographics. I don't want to set more demographics, that's why I am not selecting this one. Here we have the option connections. Connections is the place where we have to specify connection to our page, app, or event. This will narrow our audience. So for example, I will show this click one. Here we have an advanced options here. If you click this one, it will show people who are connected to. For example, I am interested to social media examiner page. So you can specify Facebook page names here, who to target the specific people who are connected to social media examiner. Here you can add a page name to target the friends of people who are connected to that particular page, or you can even exclude the people who are connected to for particular pages here. And here the option, here we can select the language here. Right now I am selecting English, and this is the main part in the audience selections. So I have selected already social media examiner. Here also I will enter the same name, social media examiner, news media website. It has around 3,43,800 people who are liking this page. So I have selected this one. Now my total target audience are 1,30,000 potential reach. Here it is showing my targeting details is Australia, Canada, India, and United States. Interested is a social media examiner. Age I have selected between 20 and 50. Languages is English. Right now I have not selected any placements here. Next I am going to select the placements. So I am saving this one. Now I have selected my audience. Now I have to select the placements. Here it will be showing mobile newsfeed, desktop newsfeed, and desktop right column. Most of I am not at all interested in desktop right column, so I am removing this one. Here we can select the mobile devices. Here are the options to select mobile devices. We can select only Android devices or iOS devices or feature phones only. So based on your interest, if you are running an app, install based campaign, then you can select iOS devices or Android devices. Right now I am using an article to promote, so all mobile devices are perfect for me. Here we have the option to select only when connected to Wi-Fi. We can select this option because Wi-Fi connected people are easily can engage with our articles. Here post engagement, this is the optimization for pricing. So my optimization is for post engagement, and here get the most engagement for your post at the best price. This means Facebook automatically optimizes our bidding price for better engagement. Otherwise you can set the amount. Here you will be charged for impressions. So here it will charge for 270 rupees for 1000 impressions. So it is better to keep it as get the most engagement for your post at the best price. So automatically Facebook will optimize our things. Now we have completed this thing. Next thing is we have to design our ad. I have clicked this one. Here is our ad. I am selecting, and right now I have to click this one to edit design our ad. In this ad design, it will ask to choose Facebook page. Right now I have 2 Facebook pages, so I am selecting my business page, my website's name ReachOutSid.com. Here we have an option to select to create a new ad or use the existing post. So to reduce our time, I am selecting already existed post here. Just click this one. Here it will show recent posts. So I have selected this one. If you want to use a pixel on your blog, then you can use this one, or you can keep just like this. Now I have entered everything. After entering everything, here my ad will look like this in desktop newsfeed, and in mobile newsfeed it will look like this, and in feature phone it will be look like this. So these are all the options how our ad will look like in actual ad. Once you complete all these things, now we have to click the upload changes button here. Something has gone wrong. It is showing something wrong is there, so once again I will check it out. Tracking doesn't require. Something is going wrong here. Choose conversion tracking pixel. I will select another post here. Now I am going to change upload changes here. Try to upload times with error. Oh, because it is showing Facebook normally allows only 20% of text on your image. So I have used this image more than 20%, so it is showing error. So I have to change the image here. Because of that reason, it is not accepting the ad. Here I have to select the image. For example, I am selecting this image. Which has less than 20%. And I have to click the upload changes. Now it has been entered. If I click continue, it will go for the approval, Facebook ads approval, and it will get approved and my ad will shows on Facebook. And this is the simple process about how to use Facebook Power Editor. And I hope this video will help you to use the Facebook Power Editor in an effective manner. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am also adding my text article link in the description box. If you want to check my article, you can click there and you can visit my blog. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.